Ever feel like financial freedom is just out of reach? What if I told you your wallet is secretly judging which skills you've mastered and which ones you're ignoring? Stick around, because missing even one of these 9 skills could cost you thousands. Most people overlook skill number 3, and it's quietly sabotaging their wealth. Psychologists call this the leveraging bias. We naturally fear investing in ourselves or taking action because we overvalue what we already have. But the truth is, mastering the right skills can create huge financial momentum, even if you're starting from scratch. Today, I'm breaking down 9 hidden skills your wallet is begging you to master. Some of these skills are so subtle, most people never notice them in their own lives. Skill number 1, income awareness. Most people never track all their income streams. One friend I worked with was losing $5,000 per month simply by ignoring extra revenue sources. Awareness equals power. Behavioral economists call this the status quo bias. We stick with what we know and ignore opportunities. Skill number 2, leveraging resources. Rich people treat money, time, and skills as tools, not just resources. Even taking small steps to leverage these can multiply income faster than saving alone. A client used a small loan to fund a side hustle. Within 6 months, it was paying back double the loan and creating passive income. Skill number 3, strategic learning. This is the one most people skip, and it's secretly a game changer. Investing in the right knowledge can have returns far higher than any investment account. Later, I'll show how you can pick which skills to learn first for maximum wealth impact. Skill number 4, negotiation skills. Your income isn't just what you earn, it's what you can negotiate. Even a small 5% raise or better deal compounds over time. A friend once asked for a small contract adjustment, ended up earning $12,000 more in a single negotiation. Skill number 5, investment literacy. Understanding where to put money, not just saving it, is critical. Most people leave their cash idle because they fear markets. Psychology insight. Loss aversion makes us avoid calculated risks, even when the odds favor us. Skill number 6, habit optimization. Your daily routines either build wealth or drain it. Simple habits, repeated consistently, create compounding results. One client started dedicating 30 minutes daily to learning a high-income skill. 6 months later, he doubled his income. Skill number 7, networking and relationships. Who you know can be as important as what you know. Strategic relationships open doors, create opportunities, and accelerate growth. And most people are ignoring the easiest opportunities sitting right in front of them. Skill number 8, frugality with purpose. Frugal isn't about deprivation. It's about directing your money toward wealth building rather than instant gratification. A client stopped wasting $300 per month on small subscriptions and redirected that to an investment account. 5 years later, it grew into $50,000. Skill number 9, mindset mastery. Your beliefs about money determine your actions. Even the right skills won't matter if your mindset blocks growth. Cognitive psychologists call this self-limiting beliefs. We often subconsciously sabotage our success. Next, I'll reveal a simple daily mindset hack that keeps wealthy people ahead of everyone else. Here's how to apply all 9 skills. 1. Track every income stream for 30 days. Awareness is step 1. 2. Identify one area to leverage: time, money, or skills. 3. Pick one strategic skill to learn this week. 4. Practice negotiation in small, everyday situations. 5. Start small with investing. Even $50 per month counts. 6. Review your habits. Drop or tweak any non-productive routines. 7. Reach out to one person who could open doors for you this week. 8. Reallocate small expenses toward wealth-building purchases or investments. 9. End each day with a 5-minute reflection on mindset and growth opportunities. Do this consistently for a month, and your wallet will start showing you the results. You'll notice patterns you never saw before. Your wallet isn't lying. It's silently telling you what you need to master. Missing even one of these 9 skills can cost you years of wealth growth. Start small, take action, and your money will begin responding. There's no magic to building wealth. It won't happen overnight. It's one disciplined step at a time. Awareness is the key to start moving. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money respond. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next skill that can multiply your income.